Hi, welcome to CarAndMechanical. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the heated side mirror on your Audi A4 and other models too. So you can see here someone stuck another mirror over the base mirror at some point, which means that the heated mirror function isn't working as well. So I've bought a new one for about £10 off eBay. We're going to remove the mirror and swap it over. So I'm going to use a trim tool to pop the mirror out from behind. Ideally you want to use a plastic one if you're trying to avoid scratching things. I'm not too fussed about the mirror, it's obviously going to get thrown away. So the mirror will pop out of its housing and we need to disconnect these two wires. Now these don't matter what order they come off or go in on because they are just passing resistance over the circuit at the back. So there's the old double layered mirror and we've got the new one. Now for some reason it came that you had to stick it to the plastic backing yourself. Okay, that's fine. The other slightly odd thing, the spade sizes are about half the size of the original mirror, so not massively pleased with that. It means that the spades weren't going on very well, but a very small modification, it can be sorted. So before we do connect the mirror up and put it in, I'm just going to use some electrical contact cleaner on the contacts just to make sure we do get a nice connection and we take any crud that might have built up on this mirror, potentially over the 15 years of the car's life, because it was an OEM mirror that was on there underneath. Now I'm just going to use some grips. I'm just going to close the contacts up a bit so they can fit on his half side spades, and then we're going to connect the mirror. So you're going to pop these on, they literally just slide on, couldn't be easier. And you're going to do the other one as well, and I needed to close this one up with the grip as well. But once they are on, give them a quick tug, make sure they're in place. Then the mirror needs to be lined up, and you can sort of see on the pieces from it. It's easier if you're standing in front of the mirror. You can pop it into place, and that's it, that's your mirror replaced. So I've done mine also with a blind spot mirror. We're going to give it a quick test. So we're going to make sure that we can see out of it from the driver's seat, that we've not messed up the alignment at all, that we've got full functionality from it. And the other thing we're going to do is turn on the demister, and I'm going to check that it puts out heat, which it does do. Okay guys, that's your heated side mirror replaced. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you'd like to see more like this, please hit the subscribe button and please leave any comments or feedback below. Thanks for watching.